Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use pet treat and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. When the first time I bought the pet treat from the gear shop, I was so confused on how to apply the pet treat to my pet on my garden, but now I have already found the answer guys, and I'm going to share it to you. And first of all, I'm going to go to my backpack, and then I'm going to go to the gear item, and I'm going to search for the pet treat. I've bought the medium pet treat, and then I'm going to apply it to my raptor, for example. Just click on the pet that you want to apply the pet treat on, and as you can see that I have already applied the pet treat to my raptor. Okay, and this pet treat can help you boost your pet's growth. And I'm going to check it on my active pet. Wait guys, I'm going to click on this icon, and okay, after you applied the pet treat, this icon will be shown on your pet. It means that you have already applied the pet treat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use pet treat on grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.